Hi, I'm Sharon. Today I'm showing you how to install an Amerock towel ring. This one is from our stainless steel Arondi collection. Just so you know, a towel ring installation is a single mount installation, much like our tissue roll holder or a robe hook. Now it's time to decide where to hang our towel ring. You can see I've already got our studs marked right here, and it's personal preference where your towel ring goes. A lot of people like to hide the outlet covers, leave a little bit of clearance with your countertop. I like it right here. I'll use my Amerock template, which makes it really easy to know where to drill the holes. Before we drill, we want to make sure the two holes are aligned. And looks good. All the mounting hardware you need comes with your Amerock towel ring. Since we're drilling into a stud, we just need these two screws. But if you were drilling into tile or drywall, you have these extra anchors. Now it's time to drill. Make sure to position yourself so it's easy to go in straight. Notice I used a 1/8 drill bit because we're drilling into the stud. So the template is off. We align our mounting plate here and push our screws in, and we'll tighten those in just a second. We changed the drill bit, now it's time to tighten the screws. You can see our mounting plate is up, the hard part is over, but before you hang your towel ring, make sure you loosen the set screw at the bottom. Now you can hang your towel ring, tighten up your set screws. Looks good. Wonderful. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find a whole lot more on our Amerock Answers series.